Hello and welcome to Maker Mondays with Harris County Public Library. Today we're going to be creating our very own scratch art paper, a quick and easy way to make unique, hands-on artwork. Plus, we'll learn how to hide secret messages in our scratch paper, perfect for a spooky scavenger hunt. You can find written instructions and more for this craft at hcpl.net. Here's what you'll need for this craft: cardstock paper, crayons or oil pastels, acrylic or tempera paint, dish soap, a mixing cup, a paintbrush, and a small wooden dowel. First, prepare your work area by placing scrap paper underneath your cardstock. You can cut your paper into any shape you'd like, though it's best to start small. Next, grab your crayons and start coloring. Create your own unique pattern on your paper, and remember that the design will be covered in paint, so you don't have to get too detailed. Fun abstract patterns and tons of color will make for an awesome reveal once you scratch away the paint. Use lots of pressure and make sure the crayon wax covers the entire paper. Don't forget to color all the way over the edge too. Any white spots will make it harder to scratch off the paint. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to start our paint mixture. In your mixing cup, combine your paint with a small amount of dish soap. You want it to be a little less than the amount of paint you're using. Stir your mixture well. Grab your paintbrush and cover your entire design with the paint. You don't have to do a thick layer either, just enough to cover the crayons. Let it dry completely, and then you're ready to start scratching. Use a wooden dowel, toothpick, or chopsticks to carve your design into the finished scratch paper. Now about that secret message. If you're feeling sneaky, color a message into your crayon design and cover it with paint. It may look like just regular scratch paper, but if you remove enough paint, your message will reveal itself. Thanks for joining us for Maker Mondays, and let us know what you create with your scratch paper by posting to our Facebook page or tagging us on Instagram with the hashtag HCPLMadeIt. And remember to join us every Monday for more fun Maker content. Until then, check out your local library for even more book recommendations and inspiration.